All right, Wood, time to go to your home.
Aww. Son of a bitch joint, why didn't you just go home? That's your home. Are you too good for your home? Answer me!
F this shit. F me in the f***ing ass. F you, you f***ing cocksucker, monkey f***er shit. F that. Sorry. Nice.
If you build it, he will come.
Knock, knock. Hey, saw your Christmas decorations out there. Pretty nice. You think you could build 5 identical ones for my yard?
If you have a milkshake, and I have a milkshake, and I have a straw, there it is. You watching? My straw reaches way across the room and starts to drink your milkshake. I drink your milkshake. I drink it up.
Please stop bullying me, Festool.
Time to musk up.
Yeah, it's called Miter Saw Dust Collection. They've done studies, you know. 60% of the time, it works every time.
Hey Peter, what's happening? I'm gonna need you to go ahead and come in tomorrow.
I would, but I have
If you could be here around 9, that would be great. Ooh, yeah, we've got a lot of sanding to do this weekend, so I'm gonna need you to go ahead and pop in on Sunday, too. Thanks.
Do you want to play rough? Okay.
Say hello to my little friend. Everything the LED light touches is your kingdom.
Wow, what about that shadow area over there?
You must never go there, Lily. Promise me you will never go there.
Okay, Dad.
Very good. Now let's do that thing.
I love you. You complete me. And so I
Shut
get...
up. Just shut up. You hadn't yet. Hello.
Why don't you head on back to the stern and glue up that panel?
Yeah, I'll glue up the panel. Maybe you should glue up the panel. We're gonna need a bigger clamp. Hasta la vista, baby. Hello. You want a drill bit?
No, thank you.
Mom always said life is like a messy box of drill bits. You never know what you're gonna get.
There is no escape. Don't make me destroy you. Walt, you have only begun to discover your power.
I'll never join you. I was told you killed my father.
No. I am your father.
No. That's not true. That's impossible.
I feel the need for speed. Woo! Atta baby goose. Wait a minute. You're telling me you took a blade signed by the great Bambuno and actually cut with it? Yeah, I did, okay? Who is she? What? You don't know the great Bambuno? The king of carbide, man. The Colossus of Kerf. Norm Abrams! You want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
enough!
Must have the precious. It's mine. It's ours. Yes, the precious is finally ours. The precious.
Are you crying?
No.
Are you crying?
I'm not crying.
There's no crying. There's no crying in woodwork. There's no crying in woodwork. Now you knock it off right now.
Okay.
I've always got 8 or 9 splinters. You don't see me crying. There's no crying in woodwork. Hey, Ray?
Yeah.
Remember how I said never to cross the wet wood with the saw stop? Cross them.
Hold it right there. Before you drive in those drywall screws, why don't you ask yourself a question? Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
So, why have you come all this way?
To appease your new queen, you take 50% of your space and make it for bicycles, landscaping equipment, and Christmas decorations.
50%.
This is a workshop!
Hey, Doc, we don't have a guide. How are we gonna drill a straight hole? Guides? Where we're going, we don't need guides. Doc? Better hurry.
You must be careful, Neo, as the desire to build a river table moves faster than anything you've seen before. But I believe you are the one.
I'm so cold, Walt.
Running out of batteries. Promise you, never let go.
I know, just stay with me a little longer. I'll never let go, Walt. I'll never let go.
Hey, babe. Can we put some shiplap with some faux barnwood on that wall in the back?
You shall not pass!
Okay, sorry.
I don't know what to do, Godfather. He took all my lumber.
You can act like a man! I don't know what to do. What's wrong with you?
Tell you what, this man who stole your lumber, 3 days' time, he's gonna give you your lumber back.
How are you gonna do that?
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
Hey, what are you doing? Don't put blue epoxy on there. Don't. Hey, I'm sorry, okay? I give him his lumber back. He can take whatever he wants. Please don't put that blue stuff on my walnut, please.
Man, I hate yard work. There's no place like the shop. There's no place like the shop. There's no place like the shop.
Oh, thank God. It's just a dream. But you were there. And you were there. Douglas? Douglas? Douglas, hold on, I'm coming. Douglas! 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 I can't! Douglas, I'm sorry. Listen here, lads. Today, we have one chance. Just one chance to tell our wives, you may force us to go to the ballet or to the garden center, but you can never take our shop time!